Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and connect Bloom Bot to Axiom for automated trading. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is to get an Axiom Pro account. Before you start, make sure you have an Axiom Pro account. Sign up using the link by using a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. Step 2 is to install Bloom Bot extension. Go to the Bloom Bot's official website and then click on Extension. Go to the Chrome store and add to Chrome and then add extension. Once installed, pin the extension in your Chrome toolbar. Step 3 is to get your Bloom Bot access code. Open the Bloom Bot and click Get Code. This will take you to the Telegram. Just simply click on Start Bot, and if you're using a web version, select an Open in Web and then copy the access code displayed in the chat. Step 4 is to verify Bloom Bot on Axiom. Click the Bloom Bot extension in the Chrome and then paste or access the code by clicking the Verify. If prompted, just simply enter the referral code and then skip the waitlist and unlock bonuses. Step 5 is to refresh and start trading on Axiom. Open the Axiom, the page, and you'll see the Bloom Bot trading panel. Just simply adjust your region, quick buy, and quick settings, and then start trading with the Bloom Bot. That's it. Now you're all set up with the Bloom Bot on Axiom for seamless automated trading. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.